What is a Kafka producer? Welcome back to our Kafka learning journey. If you've been following along, by now you know Kafka is a distributed event streaming platform that powers real-time data pipelines at scale. But the big question today is, how does data even get into Kafka? The answer lies in one powerful role: the Kafka producer. So, what exactly is a Kafka producer? A Kafka producer is any application or service that sends data, also called events or messages, into Kafka topics. It could be your e-commerce application logging every customer purchase, or a mobile app pushing clickstream data, or even an IoT device sending sensor readings every second. Kafka producers are responsible for choosing the right topic, optionally choosing a message key, which affects partitioning, serializing the data, sending it to a Kafka broker, and they do it at scale, reliably, and often in real time. Real-world analogy.
Think of a Kafka producer like a reporter sending news updates to a central newsroom, Kafka. Different reporters, producers, might report on sports, weather, or politics topics. Each story, message, is tagged, time-stamped, and sent to the newsroom, where editors, consumers, pick it up and process it. Why it's important in interviews. Interviewers often ask, what happens if the producer fails to send a message? How does Kafka decide which partition a message goes to? What's the role of message keys in a producer? Understanding how producers work is essential to mastering Kafka pipelines, especially in microservices, logging, or event-driven applications. Producer essentials you should know acts. Configure how many brokers must acknowledge a message. Retries, handle temporary failures. Batching, group messages for efficiency. Partitioning, control how data is distributed for parallelism. Whether you're building real-time analytics or preparing for interviews, mastering the Kafka producer is a foundational step. Tell me in the comments, have you implemented a Kafka producer before? What language or library did you use?